Hello, welcome to this mini video lecture about how to write an SPSC essay prepared for the EL202 course, the Freshman English 4 course at Kadir Has University. We'll be looking over a student essay now and trying to identify the main components of an SPSE situation, problem, solution, evaluation essay. There are some grammar mistakes in the text, but for the time being we're ignoring all the grammar mistakes and focusing largely on the content and organization of the writing. You will be asked to write a 500-word essay, and as you may see here, this essay is a 378-word essay. So please, while identifying the main components of the text, keep in mind that you will be asked to write a better developed essay. This essay was assigned as a 350-word essay, but you will be assigned to write a longer essay. So please keep in mind that you may need to develop your paragraphs more, and in a later video we'll be looking into another essay. We'll be going over another essay which is 500 words long. So this is just an introduction of how to write an SPSC essay. Okay, as I've just mentioned, SPSE stands for Situation, Problem, Solution and Evaluation. And here you have four paragraphs. The first paragraph is apparently the situation paragraph, problem paragraph, solution paragraph, and evaluation paragraph. So where are the introduction and conclusion paragraphs of this essay? Well, since this is a relatively shorter essay, you can, for shorter essays in general, you can integrate the introduction into the situation paragraph, because situation paragraph and the introduction may cover more or less similar things, and you may integrate the conclusion into the evaluation paragraph. Now, so you could have 4 paragraphs, or you could have 6 paragraphs, depending on your choice. What matters here is that they are relevant and they are well developed paragraphs. So you will be asked to write a 500-word essay consisting of 4 to 6 paragraphs, depending on how you'd like to put it. And here is more details about how to write each of these paragraphs. Now, in the situation paragraph, we discuss or we set the background that has given rise to a specific problem or a set of problems. So while setting the background, you may need to explain or define basic terms and concepts that your reader may not be familiar with. So if we look at the first sentence of this sample essay, it's clear here that there are some crucial problems, and these crucial problems are food security and sustainability problems. As soon as the student started writing the essay, he told us about these 2 main problems that he'll be discussing. But the problem here, the problem in terms of the reader, may be that your reader may not be familiar with what food security means. So the student has given us the definition of food security from the World Health Organization's website. He says, food security exists when all people at all times have access to sufficient, safe, nutritious food to maintain a healthy and active life. Now, since this is a direct quotation and we'll be using direct quotations in writing SPSC essays, we need to use quotation marks and we need to give the citation for the source of this quotation. Where did you take this quotation from? Apparently, this student has taken this quotation from the website, so this is how he wrote it. We're not going into how to cite the sources in this video, so for the time being it's enough that you know that after you give the direct quotation, you have to give us the basic information about where you found this text from. Is it from an online website? Is it from a book or a journal, whatever? We'll go into the detail of this, the details of quotation and paraphrasing and using direct quotations and citations in a later video. Okay, so we have the situation, we have the problems, food security and sustainability problems, which are quite related. And for those of the readers that are not familiar with the concept, we have the definition of the concept food security, and here in parentheses, in brackets, we have the source that we retrieved this bit of information from. We have here, it could be the last sentence of the introduction paragraph, the situation paragraph, or it could be towards the end of this paragraph, not necessarily the final sentence of this paragraph, but we need to have a sentence that functions as the thesis statement, or to put it more informally, the roadmap of what we'll be writing about in our essay. This essay looks into the growing problem of food security around the world and suggests reasonable and effective solutions to it. So, now, I understand that the following paragraphs will involve the discussion of problems of food security and solutions, and probably an evaluation paragraph that discusses how reasonable, applicable, or effective these solutions may be. Okay, so this is the end of the first paragraph, the situation and introduction paragraph, and we'll have more information, more details, more analysis and identifications of the following paragraphs in our upcoming videos. Goodbye for now.